German freeze-drying machine manufacturers attach great importance to environmental protection during the equipment research and production process, and are committed to reducing energy consumption and improving efficiency. For instance, the new model of Chemilo adopts advanced energy-saving technologies and intelligent control systems, adjusting the energy usage according to the workload. Its energy consumption is lower than that of traditional models, thereby saving energy costs for users and reducing reliance on non-renewable resources. They also select materials based on strict environmental protection standards, prioritizing recyclable and degradable materials to reduce reliance on non-renewable resources. The optimized structural design extends the equipment's service life and reduces waste, demonstrating a firm commitment to sustainable development. As global environmental protection regulations become increasingly strict and consumers' environmental awareness continues to grow, the environmental characteristics of German freeze-drying machines will become a key advantage in the market. They help enterprises meet regulatory requirements, enhance social responsibility, and bring long-term economic and environmental benefits to users, promoting the green industrial transformation.